In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Alibaba. We'll keep this simple and clear, using the official Afterpay website to find Alibaba and check how Afterpay can be used there. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to expect before you start shopping. First, open any web browser you're comfortable with on your computer or phone. This could be the default browser that came with your device or any trusted alternative. Make sure your internet connection is stable so pages load correctly. Next, in your browser's address bar or search box, type Afterpay and open the official Afterpay website. Look for the secure padlock icon next to the address and confirm you're on the genuine site for your region. If the site prompts you to choose a country, pick the one where you live, since store availability and terms can change by location. Once you're on the Afterpay homepage, find the site's search bar. It's usually at the top. Click in that search field to activate it. This search helps you look up retailers that work with Afterpay, along with key details like purchase limits and any category restrictions. Type Alibaba into the Afterpay search bar and submit your search. Spelling matters here, so double check the name if nothing appears right away. Give it a second to load. If you still don't see results, confirm your country setting on the site, since some retailers may not be supported in every region. When Alibaba appears in the results, click on it to open the dedicated store page within Afterpay. This page is where you'll typically see whether Afterpay can be used with Alibaba in your area, any minimum or maximum order amounts, and important terms such as installment timing and late fee policies. Take a moment to review the details so there are no surprises at checkout. If there's a shop or similar button on that page, it usually directs you to Alibaba with the correct tracking so Afterpay can recognize your purchase depending on how Afterpay is set up in your region. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed into your Afterpay account if the site asks, as this can help display accurate limits and eligibility. Availability can vary by country, by product category, and even by seller on large marketplaces. If Alibaba doesn't show up in your search or the store page is unavailable, it likely isn't supported in your region at this time. That's it. You've used the Afterpay site to find Alibaba and understand how Afterpay applies there, so you can shop with clarity and confidence.